The purpose of this summit is to present youngsters a realistic world situation, be it for peace, be it for environment, sustainable development. A situation is presented to them based on various country issues. And therefore, the situation is based on causes. What are the causes that lead to such situations? What is the cause that leads to a war? What is the cause for environmental degradation? So the students in this debate, UN mock debate, are also analyzing the causes of such situation. The students here further are looking at how it is impacting us. What are its effect? How is it a world war, a war happening in Ukraine and Russia impacting India? Economic breakdown in a particular country influencing the other part of the world. The effects of such situations, the youngsters are learning, analyzing, are becoming aware how these effects are influencing their own life. But more than above all this, what the students are learning is how to be problem solvers, how to be a solution in these problematic situations. They're searching in various ways, various aspects to dialogue with respect for each other.
Holistic education with experiential learning is one of the essence of Don Bosco High Secondary system of education. We organize this type of debates class-wise, giving them the different topics. Also, we have 30 clubs giving them the more or less formative including them in the formative learning process. This kind of debate we are holding it first time, which is a mock United Nations summit. Students representing different countries voicing their issues, and there is also a rebuttal round so that the country which is affected or respond can give a response. We have formed it as a debate form, and there is the last part which is a judges question, where judges will be asking a question to test the spontaneity of the children presenting in the country's favor. This whole debate is conceived by our father principal, Father Tamator Cardozo. He inspired us to conduct this, and teacher Reshma Rao, economic teacher, took great pain in training the student, writing the script up to seeing up to the presentation of this student on the stage.